Moisturizer.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are absolutely welcome to this real and safe space. Girl, this is 2023 and I mean, wearing makeup every time is not realistic, so let me show you the power of skincare, how you can get that flawless African body, always put together, ever radiant, glowing, shining, beautiful skin that you can rock on a day-to-day basis. And I mean, like I said, wearing makeup every day is not realistic, but wearing skincare every day is more realistic. And there's a way you can actually apply skincare that it should look like makeup. So this is skincare makeup, should I feel like that? The first thing I like to do is go in with a brow gel or an edge control to set my brows and also do my edges, because you're not going to forget that your edges actually bring out the shape of your face. So you want to master how to do your edges and also set your brow hairs. The reason you want to set your brow hairs is so they don't move, so they stay in place, and so that it is easier for you to outline your brows when you eventually draw them.
So much, cause I really care too much.
Next, I'm going to add some moisture to my skin using a hydrating mist. Now to the main character of the show. I'm starting with the hyaluronic acid from Dr. Rashel. This is an amazing hyaluronic acid and it is a great dupe for the CosRX Snail Mucin. You're gonna see why it's a dupe right now.
And I'm just overthinking, I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. My shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old and spin further down the rabbit hole.
Next, I'm taking this vitamin C serum, which is Ascorbic from The Ordinary, and this is basically an antioxidant, and we also help brighten hyperpigmentation and dark spots, imperfections that I have on my skin.
Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain.
After letting our sit, you want to seal all of this with an amazing moisturizer, and I'm using the Dr. Rashel Argan Oil Day Cream, and this is an amazing dupe for the CosRX All-in-One Cream as well. So I'm going to use this as a moisturizer for my skin. Eye cream will help to conceal the imperfections. If you have imperfections around your eyes or even above your eyes, you can use an eye cream to conceal. That's if you're using a concealing eye cream. And a recommendation for a good eye cream is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. That's an amazing concealing eye cream that can hide your imperfections. If you don't have the option of using an eye cream, you can actually use your moisturizer around your eyes. you see how my skin is glossy and glowing? This is how we're going to get the points where we can highlight. And you don't necessarily need to contour, but that's your choice if you want to go into contour. But can you see, if I turn this way, you see that light reflects here, light reflects here. If I turn this way, you see light reflects here, light reflects here. So that basically shows me the points where I need to highlight with my highlighter. I went on to do my lips, and this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comment section, and definitely let me know if you'll be incorporating some of these into your self-care routine so you look and join the always looking put together gang. See you guys in my next video.